estimated that there are over 26,000 people employed as commercial cleaners in New Zealand. With the country growing rapidly, more commercial cleaners are urgently required and there are jobs available across the country. The work of a commercial cleaner can be varied, and in some cases highly specialised. You will find commercial cleaners in offices, airports, hospitals, factories, entertainment complexes, shopping malls and hotels. And if you like the outdoor lifestyle, then there are also opportunities for commercial cleaning jobs in the fresh air as well. But it's not a job for everyone. Commercial cleaning is physical work. You will need to be physically fit and enjoy moving around. You may work alone, but more often than not, be part of a team. You will need to have a tidy appearance and be able to interact with your clients and the public. You'll need to be able to follow spoken and sometimes written instructions. For most commercial cleaning jobs, you'll need to pass a Ministry of Justice police check. If you have convictions, then you may not be able to work in some areas of the industry. It's more than a job. It can be a productive career that offers lots of variety. You may be based in one location or working at different places every day. You may work days or you may work nights or a mixture of both. Because of irregular hours, changing locations and the equipment, you cannot always rely on public transport to get you to work. So having a driver's license is a big bonus. Many employers support ongoing training and development with cleaning industry qualifications, ranging from New Zealand Certificate in Cleaning Level 2 through to diplomas in business management at Level 6. Wages at the start are not high, but as you gain experience and train for more specialised work, then your wages will increase. There will be opportunities for promotion, but only if you're reliable, work hard and can be depended on. Commercial cleaning is a growing industry. Apply now if you think it's the job for you. For starters, you'll need a Ministry of Justice police check, a tidy appearance, be able to work irregular hours, be fit enough to meet the requirements of the job, be able to work in difficult and demanding environments from time to time, be a good communicator and be able to work as directed, have good attention to detail, be reliable and observe confidentiality in some situations, and a driver's license is preferred.